Today we're going to show you the installation of the glove box compartment, which we've converted the cooler into the glove box on the Bullet 21 XRS. The first piece is going to be the base pan. When you put it in, it's going to go in one corner at a time. Once you have the pan in, you're going to take your first side piece. It'll be with these tabs down and the long tab forward. You'll take your next piece, same way, tabs down, put it in the slot. The third piece. Same thing again, this will turn out, will go to the outside, tabs down. You'll take your dividers and put them in on each side, and you have it installed.